Ops, wait lang, huwag ka munang mag-scroll at syempre magbibigay muna tayo ng ating word of the day at pag-usapan natin kung kailan nga ba nag-take effect yung ating revised penal code. Okay, so tandaan po natin yung ating pong revised penal code. It is a book of the Philippines that contains mga penalties, mga crime, including po mga provision. Kumbaga yung ating pong revised penal code is one of the source of criminal law na kung saan ito po yung foundation natin sa ating batas po. And syempre tandaan po natin pag tinatanong po sa atin kailan nga ba nag-take effect yung ating revised penal code, tandaan po natin that is considered take effect on January 1, 1932 kasi na-approve po yan December 8, 1930 pero nag-take effect po siya January 1, 1932 na po. Okay? At syempre yung ating pong revised penal code kapag gusto nyo pong magbasa ngunit wala po kayong libro ng revised penal code, wala po kayong libro ng criminal law natin, you can search nyo lang po Act number 3815. Okay? Ulitin ko po, yung ating revised penal code is also known as Act number 3815 po yan. And syempre, take effect po yan noong January 1, 1932. At yung ating pong revised penal code consists po yan ng dalawang libro, 2 books po yan, the book 1 tsaka yung book 2 natin. Yung ating pong book 1 that is consists of Article 1 to Article 113 at yung nakasaad naman po dyan is mga puro yan mga provision. Nandyan sa ating book 1 yung mga characteristics of criminal law. Nandyan din yung ating modifying circumstances, yung ating GMA, nasa Article 11 to Article 15 of Revised Penal Code. At syempre nandyan din po yung ating duration of penalty which is under naman po sa Article 27. At yung ating prescription of crime tsaka prescription of penalty is nandyan din po sa ating book 1 kung gusto nyo pong basahin. As well as yung ating pong complex crime nasa Article 48 of Revised Penal Code, nandyan din po yan sa book 1 po natin. Kasi yung ating pong book 2, kapag gusto mo basa ng mga krimen, nandun po yun makikita sa ating book 2 sapagkat yung ating pong book 2 or criminal law book 2 po natin, nakasaad po doon yung ating mga krimen, definition of crime and corresponding penalty. Gaya na lamang po ng ating sa title 8 natin, crime against person, nandun po yung ating Article 246 parricide, nandun po yung ating Article 247 death under exceptional circumstances, Article 248 murder, Article 249 homicide, and so on. At napakarami po yung nakasaad doon. At syempre wag po natin kakalimutan na kung tayo po ay magbabasa ng ating criminal law, mas maganda po unahin natin yung book 1 sapagkat nandun po yung foundation para makabuild po tayo ng kumbaga malalaman natin yung kung saan papunta yung mga nasabing krimen sa book 2. Mas maganda dito muna tayo sa book 1. Yan lang po ay kunting paalala sa inyo. At syempre ulitin po natin, revised penal code po is approved on December 8, 1930 but took effect on January 1, 1932. At yun lang muna sa ngayon. At syempre ito pa rin yung lingkod, your Mr. Today, Emmanuel, the Master Human, Bilis Blanco sa CBRC National Lecturer and Registered Criminologist, nagsasabi sa inyo para pumasa sa board examination kailangan natin yung basusya at tsamba. Basusya, basa, sulat, and share. At saka sabay ng tsamba, tiyaga, sipag at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.